Yup. This actually makes some water, and the fan is spitting water. Yeah. Yeah. There's no drain hole on the bottom, so it's just the water stay on the bottom. So yeah. It's blowing some warm air. Yeah, this thing's vibrating, but whatever. It's not a big deal of it. Man, the air is really cold. It feels like 50, 53 degrees. Like holy crap, it's so cold. No, actually, 40 degrees, actually. Yeah. And this is the coldest air conditioner that can cool down my bedroom. I mean the coldest air, sorry. Yeah, it's cold at all. Yep. It also have nice compressor sound, which is good. Yeah. Man, I love this thing, guys. I mean, one thing about this air conditioner, it is kind of small to me, but yeah, it's kind of tiny a bit, you know. Yeah. Strong airflow too. Yeah. Alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching and peace.